Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Not Too Shabby. We are going to create this summer themed card today, showcasing this stamp set called Be Salty, and it features the cute images there with a bunch of other sentiments along with the Beach Babes stamp set. I was supposed to share with you a card showcasing the box of the month, but it's completely sold out, so I decided to share this one instead because I haven't had a chance to use them yet. So we are just going to place the Bristol Smooth White cardstock inside the stamping tool, and we are going to use VersaFine ink in sepia to stamp the image, since we will be using some SIG markers to color the images in. I am using this favorite tool of mine right now from LDRS Creative called Stampendable. This is a stamping tool, and look at this. I only stamped the image once and I really got a good impression using the stamping tool. So we are now going to color the images in using some SIG markers. I'm just going to put some music on and I'll be right back once the coloring is done. To create the background, we will be using some Distress Oxide inks on some Bristol Smooth White cardstock. To add texture and dimension to the background, I will be using this 3D embossing folder. I think this is called the Waves, and I will be running this through my die cutting machine. Now that I have everything sorted out, we are now ready to assemble the card. The first thing to do is to adhere this first image using some liquid glue, and then the second image popping it up with some foam adhesive. The sentiment was stamped with Versamark ink and heat emboss using some white embossing powder, and then this will be adhered to the card as well with some liquid adhesive. To finish the card design, we will be using some black gel pen to add more depth to the elephant's eyes, and then some white gel pen to add some dots to the other images. This focal panel will be adhered on an A2 size note card, and that is our card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. The supplies I use will be listed and linked in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and click the notification bell to be notified of new content. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting!